Let me ask you something: if there was a tool that could help you make thousands of dollars a month, with zero design skills and almost no upfront cost, would you use it? Because that tool exists. It's called Canva. And while most people just use it to make pretty Instagram posts, the smart ones are turning it into a money-making machine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make real money using Canva, whether you want a side hustle or a full-time online business. No fluff, no gimmicks, just proven strategies that actually work. And stick around, because the last method I'm going to share is something almost no one talks about, but it has the potential to generate passive income for years. 1. The $25 billion opportunity. Why Canva is a goldmine. Before we dive into the strategies, you need to understand why Canva is such a powerful money-making tool. Canva is currently valued at over $25 billion, with more than 135 million active users worldwide. That's millions of people and businesses looking for designs, templates, and branding solutions every single day. The best part? You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to make money with Canva. Its easy-to-use interface allows anyone to create high-quality designs in minutes. And businesses, social media influencers, and entrepreneurs are willing to pay for well-crafted designs that save them time and effort. This means that if you know how to use Canva strategically, you can tap into this massive demand and start earning today. 2. Who can make money with Canva? Spoiler: anyone. The best part about Canva? It doesn't matter who you are. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, a freelancer, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there's a way for you to monetize Canva. For example, if you have a background in marketing, you can create social media kits for businesses. If you love teaching, you can create educational materials. Even if you're starting from zero, you can still sell digital products or offer basic design services on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Success with Canva isn't about where you start, it's about how creatively you use it. 3. Selling digital products, the easiest passive income strategy. One of the simplest ways to make money with Canva is by selling digital products. Think about templates for Instagram posts, ebooks, wedding invitations, planners, or even resume templates. Once you create and upload them to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, they can generate passive income for months or even years. The trick? Focus on niches where people are actively looking for time-saving designs. Wedding planners, business owners, and influencers are always on the hunt for done-for-you designs. If you create something valuable, they'll gladly pay for it. 4. Freelancing with Canva. No degree, no experience needed. Not ready to create and sell digital products? No problem. You can start freelancing today by offering Canva design services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Businesses and entrepreneurs constantly need social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can start by designing simple Instagram post templates or YouTube thumbnails. As you build experience, you can offer higher-priced services like branding kits or pitch decks. 5. Social media monetization. How to use Canva to build a profitable brand. If you're into social media, Canva can help you build an income-generating brand. Whether it's on Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube, eye-catching designs can help you grow an engaged audience. And once you have an audience, you can monetize through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Some of the biggest content creators use Canva to create high-quality visuals without hiring a designer. And you can do the same. 6. Print-on-demand business. Selling merch with Canva designs. Another amazing way to make money with Canva is by creating print-on-demand products. You can design t-shirts, mugs, stickers, phone cases, and more without holding any inventory. Just upload your designs to platforms like Printful or Redbubble, and when someone buys, they print and ship the product for you. This is one of the best passive income models out there. And with Canva, you can create unique designs without needing Photoshop or Illustrator. 7. Affiliate marketing with Canva, earning commissions on autopilot. Most people don't know this, but Canva has an affiliate program. This means you can earn commissions by referring people to Canva Pro. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can promote Canva and earn money whenever someone signs up. It's an easy way to make money while sharing something genuinely useful. 8. Creating and selling courses. Teach Canva and get paid. If you're good at using Canva, why not teach others? Online courses and coaching programs are a booming industry, and people are willing to pay for structured lessons. You can create a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, teaching Canva skills like branding, marketing, or social media design. And the best part? Once your course is live, it can generate income on autopilot. 9. Canva for local businesses. A $10,000 per month opportunity. Local businesses desperately need good branding. From restaurant menus to real estate flyers, many small businesses lack professional-looking designs. That's where you come in. You can offer Canva design services to local businesses and charge premium rates. It's a low-competition market with high income potential. The real question isn't, can you make money with Canva? It's, how much are you leaving on the table by not starting? Every day you wait is a day you could be making money online. Remember, Canva is just a tool. It's how you use it that creates financial freedom. So take action today. Whether it's selling templates, freelancing, or starting a print-on-demand business, just start. I've dropped a lot of strategies today, but now it's up to you to make a move. Check out the description or the pinned comment for exclusive resources to help you get started. And because you made it this far, YouTube knows exactly what you need next. There's another powerful video on screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.